Discover how Docket's bulk action feature allows you to smoothly mark multiple invoices as "Did Not Pay" to simplify your invoice management process. The Do Not Pay feature in Docket will allow you to avoid making any redundant payments against duplicate invoices. In case of any errors or incorrect information in the invoices, it will prevent any payments against these invoices. For any disputed invoices with the vendors, marking such invoices will help to temporarily suspend the payments. If an order or service has been canceled, but an invoice is still generated, then you can mark it as "Did Not Pay" to prevent payment for the canceled item. Let us now see how you can mark the invoices as "Did Not Pay." First, go to the Expense Management tab and click Invoices queue under Accounts Payable. Then choose all the invoices that you'd want to mark as "Did Not Pay." After choosing the desired invoices, locate the Bulk Actions button on the top left corner, just above the list of invoices. Click on Bulk Actions and select "Did Not Pay." View and confirm the invoices you selected and click on the "Did Not Pay" option. You will now find these invoices under the Stopped section above, just like they were under Queued. That was great! Now, harness the power of Docket's "Did Not Pay" feature to enhance your payment process. Take control of invoice management, guaranteeing the processing of only valid and accurate invoices for payment. Start optimizing your workflow today and experience streamlined and efficient payment management with Docket.